Buonasera, I'm cooking for myself tonight. Julie's gone to London to watch ABBA Voyager, so finished work quite late, so decided to do a very quick meal. I'll be cooking a very simple pasta. I'll be doing rigatoni with cauliflower, potato, anchovies, garlic and chili peppers. This recipe can be adapted for vegetarians as well by dropping the anchovies, and also very suitable for vegans should you wish not to add any cheese. I've chopped enough cauliflower for what might be suitable for one person, and I'm now peeling a small potato. I have removed the skin from a large clove of garlic, and I will give it a little crush as well. And I'm chopping the potato into tiny little cubes. I moved onto the hob and I've put some olive oil in a pan. I've added my garlic, some chili pepper and my anchovies, and I'm now going to crush the anchovies until they totally dissolve. Perfect, the anchovies have dissolved, and I will be adding the cauliflower and the potatoes at the same time. And I will leave them to sizzle now for a good couple of minutes before I do anything else. Just give everything a good mix to ensure that nothing burns, especially the garlic. That's the one thing that could go wrong really, but I can see that mine is still okay. And I've got some hot water beside the frying pan, and I will be adding some hot water, a couple of ladles. The water will stop the garlic from burning, but also it will start steaming the cauliflower and cook the potatoes. And I'll turn it on a medium heat. I'll put the cover on and I'll let it cook. It's likely to take approximately 10 to 12 minutes for everything to cook, especially the potatoes. A quick check-in after 5 minutes, still uncooked, but they're getting there on the way. But the water level has gone down a little, so I'm going to be adding another ladle of water. I do not want the water to disappear as everything needs to cook. And I'll carry on. In the meantime, I can safely put on my pasta. This is 100 grams of rigatoni, just enough for one. The water is already salted, that's why I did not add any salt in my cauliflowers. And everything is cooked. The more important thing to ensure that it's cooked is the potatoes. They are cooked anyway, but if your cauliflower was a little bit al dente, that doesn't matter. The potato obviously does. So I'll pour everything in a jug first, and I will blend it. Also, if you look, it's a little bit on the stiff side, so I will be adding a little bit more water. And I'll be adding it. Yep, and I'm very happy that that is very much what I was looking for. And I will pour the mashed potato and cauliflower back in my pan now. My pasta is cooked and is just before al dente, so as it is I will be adding it to my sauce now. And do carry some water with you, as it is nice and starchy and it will help with the cream. As it happens, I think I will be adding a little bit more actually, because I think it's still a little bit dry. Wonderful, looking very good. Literally 30 seconds to 1 minute and it's ready. And time to serve a portion for one person. Again, optional, or clearly if you are vegan you can step it, but I will be putting some Parmesan cheese on top of mine. And I'll taste some before I eat it. Delicious. The anchovies actually make a big difference. You can taste the garlic of course and the chili, but it's a fun ingredient because you don't know that it's there unless you know it's there. Really nice. Enjoy if you make it. Ciao ciao, thank you, bye.